community of Welsh learners or Welsh speakers in North America is not large. So to have a contingent of folks get together means a great deal.
Anchwilio am, right? Ac yn chwilio.
Croeso, welcome. Welcome. Croeso mawr I Utah.
Course Cymraeg is a week-long Welsh language course, and it's a fun way to gather and just learn Welsh for a week. It's like Welsh camp.
It's an exciting time. Don't think you're going to have a nice relaxing break. We'll work you hard. Mae nifer o bobl yn dod achos bod I teulu nhw, I greiddiau nhw yng Nghymru, a maen nhw eisiau dysgu iaith eu cyndeiddiau o Gymru.
Am faint o'r gloch mae brecwast yn dechrau, Nicole?
Ond hefyd, yn ddiweddar, falle mwy o bobl achos bod diddordeb dyn nhw mewn ieithoedd.
We have about 5 hours of language classes per day. We have levels from absolute beginner to pretty advanced. We have teachers from Wales and also teachers from North America who have studied the language.
You do mime.
We do folk dancing. We do a quiz night at a local pub. And then on Friday night we have our own little Eisteddfod.
Eisteddfod!
I think that there is a thriving Welsh American community in this country, but compared to the general population, it's small. And so whenever you can meet someone that shares your interest in Welsh and you can practice with them, I think that's a great thing.
Daeth fy hen dad ci o Gymru i'r Unol Daleithiau pan oedd e'n fachgen. Cafodd I gladdu mewn bedd ar fynydd yng Ngorllewin, Virginia. Mi es I ymweld ar bedd. Siaradais I yn Gymraeg wrth y bedd. Gweddies I yn Gymraeg. Wel, t'mod, siwr o fod, doedd neb wedi gwneud hynny ers mwy na 100 mlynedd. Dyna pam dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg.
As a person of Welsh descent, I really like to know that I can sort of be a part of it through learning the language.
Wel dwi'n dod o Cedarburg, Wisconsin, a dwi'n hoffi astudio Cymraeg yn fy amser sbar.
Un o'r cyffredin oedd e?
In my home state, I'm like one of the few people I know who actually does this stuff, and I know all my friends kind of like look at me and go like, what's Welsh? You know, they don't know anything about it. So you do kind of feel a sense of not belonging, but at the same time, when you know that there are other people in the country that are doing this, and when you come to a course like this, you know, you don't feel alone, you don't feel as weird, you know, sort of feel a sense of community.
I have so few opportunities to really practice with people during the year. There's something special about Welsh. Keeping that alive it's a link to sort of continuing history. There's not very many things, I think, that can really link you to history and to your forebears the way a language can.
Wel, wy'n llawn edmygedd, achos wy'n ymwybodol yn America bod pobl falle ddim yn cael cymaint o wyliau â ni yng Nghymru, a bod y ffaith bod nhw'n rhoi wythnos o'i wyliau
Mae'n berffaith.
yn talu hefyd am y cwrs I weithio yn galed iawn bob dydd, felly mae hynny'n beth braf.
Mae'r cwrs yn mynd da iawn gyda fi.
Not for nothing that it's known as Iaith y Nefoedd. It's a cosmic thing to study Welsh, to try to speak Welsh, to sing in it and write in it. And that might sound grossly sentimental to people for whom it's just an everyday thing. But when you don't have the luxury of taking it for granted, the value is immense.